When you power up the devices, the currently selected ID will be indicated with a blinking pattern using the DMX data and the COP indicators. The DMX data indicator is yellow, and the COP indicator is green. There are 4 different patterns to indicate the IDs. ID 0 is indicated by a rapid blink of the yellow DMX indicator. ID 1 is represented by a rapid blink of the green COP indicator. ID 2 is indicated by both the yellow and green indicators blinking together. And ID 3 is indicated by the yellow and green indicators blinking alternately. As you can see, we've added a switch in line to aid in our demonstration. You can change IDs at any time by simply holding one of the set buttons on power up, and once the ID is captured, its blink pattern will appear. On power up, we can see the yellow DMX data indicator blink, which is indicating that we are currently in ID 0, which is the default ID. Now let's change the ID 1 by holding the Set B button on power up. Completion, we should see the green COP indicator blinking, confirming ID 1. To select ID 2, hold the Set C button on power up. You should see the yellow and green indicators blinking together, confirming that we are in ID 2. To select the public ID, ID 3, hold the D button on power up. You should see the yellow data and green COP indicators alternating, confirming that we are in ID 3, the public ID. Now let's put ourselves back into the default ID 0 by pressing Set A on power up, and we'll see the yellow DMX data indicator blink rapidly, confirming that we are back in the default ID, ID 0. Setting IDs on the DMX-IO transceiver works exactly the same way we just did on the DMX4DIMM. After the devices are powered up, the DMX data and RF Connect indicators will provide you with various information. As expected, when DMX data is present, the yellow DMX data indicator will flash. On DMX-IO transceivers, when in transmitter mode, the blue RF Connect indicator will blink slowly, showing that a wireless connection has been formed. When your DMX4DIMM is searching for a wireless connection, the RF Connect indicator remains solid and not blinking. Once it has found its connection, it will blink continuously while your dimmer is connected. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.